Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Edge AC blower not working issue and the possible causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. An AC blower not working in the Ford Edge is commonly described as no air coming from the vents, airflow stopping intermittently, the blower working only at certain fan speeds, or airflow cutting out while driving. Verified technical service information and reviewed automotive HVAC electrical and airflow system data indicate that blower-related concerns can occur across multiple Ford Edge model years, with relevance depending on HVAC system design, electrical architecture, and control configuration. This issue does not affect all vehicles and applicability varies by configuration. One verified cause involves the blower motor itself. Internal motor wear or electrical failure can prevent the fan from spinning or cause intermittent operation. Another confirmed cause relates to the blower motor resistor or blower control module. Failure in these components can result in loss of fan speed control or complete blower shutdown. Electrical power supply integrity is also a documented factor. Blown fuses, faulty relays, or voltage interruptions can stop power delivery to the blower motor. HVAC control panel or control signal behavior is another verified consideration. Faults in the climate control interface or control signals can prevent the blower from receiving proper operating commands. Wiring and connector condition is an additional confirmed aspect. Loose connections, corrosion, or damaged wiring can interrupt blower motor operation. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include recent battery disconnection affecting module behavior, temperature-related electronic response, or intermittent electrical faults. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions described in professional service guidance include checking fuses and relays, testing blower motor operation, inspecting the blower resistor or control module, verifying control panel inputs, and examining wiring continuity. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and HVAC system-specific requirements. Reviewed diagnostic trends indicate that many Ford Edge AC blower not working concerns are resolved through blower motor, resistor, or electrical repair rather than full HVAC system replacement. Outcomes vary by model year, HVAC configuration, and vehicle condition. In conclusion, Ford Edge AC blower not working issues are typically linked to blower motor failure, control module or resistor faults, electrical supply interruptions, control input problems, or wiring integrity concerns. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.